India is a large and fascinating country with a rich and vibrant culture. It is even more special for its incredible linguistic diversity of over 19,500 languages and dialects. It is a multicultural and multilingual mosaic with languages such as Hindi, Bengali, Tamil, Telugu, Marathi, Gujarati, Punjabi, Urdu, and Kannada. Each language has its own unique history, meaning, and cultural significance. Let us come together and explore and embrace this incredible linguistic wealth. We will embark on a journey to explore the enormous diversity of Indian languages and literature. India is known for its unique cultures, each comprising its own dialects and literary past. We will delve into the many languages spoken in India, covering Hindi, Tamil, Bengali and Marathi among others. Furthermore, we will delve into the various literary trends of India, providing us insights into its culture and customs. Come, let us explore the profusion of Indian language and literature. India is home to a diverse range of languages, with Hindi being the most prevalent. Among these are the classical language Tamil, poetic Telugu, realist Marathi, folk literature rich Gujarati and musically inclined Punjabi. Bengali has strong literary tradition and Punjabi is known for its poetry. India's linguistic landscape is indeed vibrant. India is a country of immense diversity which is reflected in its many languages and literary forms. Bengali has a romantic poetry, Marathi has its realism, and Tamil literature is renowned for its focus on social change and political insight. Every region has its own unique and distinct literary tradition that gives insight into the culture and customs of the area. Collectively, the regional literature of India paints a vivid picture of the expanse and depth of Indian culture. India is renowned for its rich and diverse literary tradition, having been the birthplace of some of the world's most influential writers. Rabindranath Tagore, who won the Nobel Prize, and Arundhati Roy, who conveys timely messages, are just two of these authors who have had an impact on literature and social discourse in India as well as globally. Through their writings, Indian authors offer readers a unique view of India's culture, life, and values. Vibrant and rich, contemporary Indian literature offers an endlessly absorbing journey. Through the medium of magical realism as explored by Salman Rushdie, the feminist approaches of Arundhati Roy, and the vivid regional literature of the likes of Perumal Murugan and Jerry Pinto, Indian literature provides a depth of thought-provoking topics to explore. The far-reaching influence of Indian authors such as Jhumpa Lahiri and Kiran Desai continues to be recognized and celebrated internationally. Meanwhile, regional writings and works in native languages including Tamil and Konkani are increasingly in the spotlight, with authors from these locales gaining plaudits for their works. We have had the opportunity to witness the immense diversity and abundance of India's languages and literature. From renowned classics written by the likes of Rabindranath Tagore to the modern-day works of leading authors, Indian literature has something for everyone. We encourage you to discover this remarkable tradition and all of the incredible stories it has to offer. Thank you for accompanying us on this journey.